Alright, switch front hurricanes. You want to learn switch back 180s and switch front boards. What you want to do is like, I don't know, I put my feet up high, kind of like right by the bolts. So I don't know, it helps me turn without like flipping it by accident or something. And then keep your shoulders straight, so you don't go, so you can turn back. And I don't know, you gotta really remember just to like lean forward, keep your balance, shit like that. And ride away.